In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prompt when generating images for Grok Imagine. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. When the page loads, look to the left sidebar and click Imagine to enter the creative workspace. Now click into the field that says Type in Imagine. This is your prompt box, and it's the most important part of the process. Think of your prompt as a concise creative brief. Lead with the subject and action, then add context. Include the visual medium and style you want: photo, watercolor, 3D render, cinematic still, ink illustration. Describe composition and camera, like close-up portrait, wide establishing shot, aerial view, 35mm lens, shallow depth of field. Add lighting and mood: golden hour, soft studio light, dramatic rim light, foggy and serene. Layer in color cues and texture: muted earth tones, neon accents, glossy metal, weathered wood. If you care about background complexity, say clean white background or bustling city street. To avoid distractions, you can state without text, logo-free, or minimal clutter. Keep sentences short, specific, and objective. Aim for 2 to 5 short sentences rather than a wall of commas. Avoid vague words like beautiful or cool. Replace them with visual terms such as high contrast, backlit, or pastel palette. And remember, consistency in phrasing leads to consistency in results across versions. Here's a quick example prompt for an image: a cozy cottage in a misty pine forest at sunrise, soft golden light, cinematic 30mm photo, shallow depth of field, muted greens and warm highlights, clean composition, no text. And for motion, time-lapse of storm clouds rolling over desert mesas at sunset, high contrast, cinematic color grade, smooth drone dolly, dramatic and expansive. Below the box, choose whether you're generating an image or a video. Pick image for a single frame. Choose video if you want motion based on the same descriptive prompt. Next, select the quality level. Higher quality usually means sharper detail and richer textures, but it can take longer to render and may use more credits. For quick explorations, start lower. For a final result, choose higher. If you selected video, set the duration. Shorter clips are great for testing style and motion. Longer clips work once you've nailed the look. Keep in mind that doubling duration typically increases render time. When everything looks good, click Submit or simply press Enter. Give the system a moment to render. If the first result isn't perfect, adjust a few words in your prompt rather than rewriting it entirely. Tighten the subject, refine lighting, or clarify composition, then submit again. Small, focused edits produce consistent improvements. That's it. You now know how to craft prompts and generate images or videos in Grok Imagine.